Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up automatic discounts on your Shopify store. So first you are going to need to have some products available. So whether this is 1, 2 or 3 products, make sure your products are already loaded to your store, of course. Now over here on the left hand side, you're going to go to the discounts option. So click on discounts, and then here you can manage and create discounts. So click on create a discount. There's a few different options that you can order. So these will be automatic discounts that will apply once the purchase meets a certain criteria. So as an example, if you buy X, you would get Y. You can offer a certain amount off an order. You can offer free shipping, for example. So let's say, for example, if you're going to offer a certain amount off an order, you put in the discount code that you would like to put for that person to put that into the code. So let's say 20 off today. Now the discount percentage or fixed amount we're going to put as a percentage, just for an example. Now for them to get 20% off, they are going to need to purchase at least $100 worth of total products. Okay, if they don't meet that requirement, then they won't get the 20% off their order. Now, obviously, you can select this for specific customers or all customers. You've also got maximum discounts per use, so 1 per customer, or limited times that can be used in total. And there's a few other options here. So, for example, like order discounts, shipping discounts, product discounts. So they can be combined with other discounts as well. Selection date for it to start, and then you can also select this to be starting the set time, and you can also set an end date as well. And that is all. If you found this helpful, make sure you like and subscribe.